Hi, I'm Daryl Osenga with Hot Wash Atlanta. Today we're going to show you what it looks like when you have a clogged nozzle in your flat surface cleaner. So here we also have made one pass with the clogged nozzle. I'm going to do a completely separate pass on the right side of the sidewalk with two clean nozzles, and we'll be able to see the difference in cleanliness. Start on the left side of the sidewalk with clogged nozzle, the right side clean nozzle, so much better. So right here is this side, on the left side of the sidewalk, is where we first made one pass with the clogged nozzle, and then I went over it with the right side of the sidewalk after we cleaned the nozzles, and you can kind of see the difference. This is kind of has a little darker tint to it, and this is much whiter and brighter. Going over the same spot with nozzles that are clean.